guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create SHIZUKA from Doraemon and Just to Impress. I used to watch the show as a kid, and I know this is not exactly what she looks like because of the hair, but it does cover like the back here because I need that for like the colored part. Basically, I used this hair. I'm gonna remove everything except for the ones I need to adjust. So for the hair, I used this hair in only bangs in just black. Then I used this white scarf in these adjustments. Position the Y 0.64, Z 0.66, rotate the X to 0.56, and no scale. Also, we don't need VIP for this. I grabbed this sweater in the type 2 toggle in this color in matte. It's DD8293. I also got the Mary Janes here in that same color. Turn on with socks toggle and color everything else white. Then for her hair, you can do it like any like pigtails if you'd like to, or like braids. I'm just going to use this one. I know this isn't exactly what her hair looks like. Then for the skirt, I'm just going to use this one here in this blue color 28425E. You can also use this skirt too, just to like layer more stuff on. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.